Welcome, Hornets. We're going to be working with Cami extension today, and we're going to introduce the story, The Day It Rained Cockroaches. This video is so you can watch it over and over again. We will still discuss how to use Cami in class. This is for your reference when you're doing the work. Okay, so you're going to go to your lesson. We're on lesson 5 today. You're going to go ahead and click on the story, The Day It Rained Cockroaches. You have 2 choices. Keep in mind, you should have watched the video at the beginning of the s'more first to set it up. But you can either open with Cami or you can open with and annotate with Cami. Same thing. Give it a second, and voila, you have the story. Okay, the first thing I want you to know is we're working with vocabulary. So we're looking for words that you do not know. If you're a really advanced English speaker and you think you know all the words, okay, fine. Still find 7 words that someone else might have missed. But I'm sure you can find 7 words you don't know. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Markup, and I want you to highlight them using orange. So use the orange highlighter, and you're going to find 7 words you do not know. Here's the first thing you can do is you can use these 3 words, which you've already been provided with boxes. That's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and go with kerchiefs. I'm going to highlight that, let go, boom, it's highlighted. Well, aghast is already here for me, so that'll save my time. Boom, good. I got 2 of 7 already. And where is that other one they're going to use? There we go, emblazoned. Okay, so that's 3, but I need more than that. I need to come up with 7. So I'm going to look around and find another 4 words that I don't know or I think I need to know more about, and I'll go into those. For me, I'm going to pick, and you're not allowed to because I'm going to give you the definition. Haha. But I'm going to go with the word rickety for one of mine. All right. So that means you can't use it. Okay, so let's say you've gone in and you've highlighted all 7 words. Awesome. Step 1, down. Okay, now we have to actually look them up. But you don't have a dictionary in front of you. You can just Google search, but that doesn't work well. Cami has a dictionary function. Click on dictionary, and let's highlight the first word we need, kerchiefs. Wasn't that awesome? That was like way fast. Okay. So it's a piece of fabric used to cover the head or worn tied around the neck, kind of like a handkerchief. That's interesting, but I have to say this in my words. I can't just type that out. I have to use my words. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to make a comment. So I'm going to go here into text comments. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And there should be a little thing right here. Convert to comment. There we go. So you're going to go over each one and click on the little voice bubble that pops up. That gets you comments each time. But first, we're working with kerchiefs. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the comment. Let's say I'm going to say in my own words that it is a head wrap like a bandana. That's my words. So right off the bat, I've got it highlighted, and I have my definition over here in the notes. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that for each one. I'm going to find them. I already did that. I'm going to look them up in the dictionary using the dictionary feature. Done that, and then I'm going to write a comment. Now I want to put a picture that represents each one, because each one needs a picture as well. So I'm going to go to image, I'm going to go to Google search, and I'm going to look up kerchiefs. Kerchief. So this is what a kerchief must look like. That's convenient. I like this head wrap right here. So I'm going to click this image, and I'm going to select. All right, that's too big. I need it smaller. I have to be able to read. So I'm going to go down here to the little dot, and I'm going to drag it, make it nice and small, and I'm going to put it right over there. That way it's not in the way. Now I got a picture for it. And if I click on it, I can see that it's a head wrap, like a bandana, right over here. Dude, that's awesome. Look at me go. Cool. Now I have 6 more. So you're going to repeat the process of highlighting it, looking it up in the dictionary, writing a comment about what it means in my own words, and putting a picture next to it until I get all the way down to my 7th. Once I get to the very last one, I'm going to do a voice comment. So I've already picked rickety for my 7th word. That'll be my last word. So I'm going to come over here, and first I need to know what rickety means. So I'm going to use the dictionary, pull that up. There we go. So it's an adjective that means a structure or piece of equipment poorly made and likely to collapse or suffering from rickets. I don't know what rickets are in this case, or at least you won't. So in this case, we're going to say that it's poorly made and likely to collapse. But I need to put a comment here. So I'm going to click on this. You get my select tool. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to put a comment. But I'm going to actually turn it into a voice comment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the comment section, and I'm going to click on voice comment. Now I'm going to find that word again. I'm going to highlight it so I can put in that comment. And now it's recording. So rickety, Mr. Cormier, if you can hear this, rickety means that it's going to fall apart. It's wobbly and will fall apart. That's my definition. And then I hit the stop button. Now I was talking through part of that, so listen, that comment. And now it's recording. So rickety, Mr. Cormier, if you can hear this, rickety means that it's going to fall apart. It's wobbly and will fall apart. That's my definition. And that comment. Okay, you don't have to be as wordy as I was, but I want you to do at least one voice definition, okay? So everything's going to have a photo next to it. It'll have a comment explaining what it is in your own words, and only one of them will get a voice comment where you'll explain to me what it means. And that is our first pre-read lesson on vocabulary. See you around, guys. Look forward to seeing your work.